The way I handle issues now, the way I fight with people online now. Me right now, if you see me fighting with someone online, bro, it is very intentional. If it's not worth it, I'm not going to fight with you. Tunafightia nini? But nikiona hapa kuna kitu ndakunyorosha online. Unajua huyo jamaa. Like the time we had a very serious fight with Eric Omondi a long time ago. Akakuja mpaka kiss tukapigana nini. Kasi just opina inafaa uheshimu Eric Omondi. I'm just sitting there, I'm like, hala. The time I did a video for ile Eric Omondi. Opina niko na pesa kukushinda. Bro, music ni jaribu. Hizo ni pesa zote. Ona hii pesa nini. Kwani who was in the camera?
Yeah.
Kwani ilikuwa concept ya nani? Bro, wane kamaziwa hivi tunachuana shoot pause. Aya, let's transfer the money to tuongeze pesa tuniko kwa kitana. Aya sasa weka zingine kwa dustbin sawa.
Oh yeah, I remember that
action. Yeah. Bro, mimi kupiga mimi ni heshimu mimi wewe. Niko na pesa kukuchinda. Nimeshika tu kamera hapo niko hapo tunakacha na print niko fit na post. Watu wanaelewa heshimu na nini? But I'm like, it's showbiz. You know that's what we do. You know, most people don't understand showbiz. When I see showbiz, we are in a clout. Okay, as opposed to, nataka nipende madhako. So clout is my business.
The beef between you and Kibe is also clout?
No. I don't think even if you have beef, I think he just hates me, but that's fine.
He hates you genuinely.
Is it I don't know. I think so. Farmer? I don't know.
Ulifanya nini mzee?
I became successful. Yeah. I fell on my feet. Yeah, because me, I don't have beef with him. What is there to have beef with? That's only make No. All these other people, I'm just like, this guy, you don't like me, good. Let me go this direction. Because I don't help you, don't help me.
True.
There's no bread I've put on your table. There's no bread you put in my table. So what you have is a perception or an idea that you want to build and you want other people to buy it. You see, like for example, right now, if Kibe signs Vurugu, bro, we'll make money together.
Sindio,
na itafika na namwesabe shika pesa yako, good doing business with you, tuendelee kuchukiana online, tuendelee na uendelee na biashara. Hiyo ni biashara yako, uendelea, mimi niendelee huku nini. And life goes on. But atisani mekati, so there's money to be made. Unajua, bro, pesa. Me, my WhatsApp status says money fast.